Hello, I Bhuvan. I know it's very hard to earn extra money. I am sure you might have searched all over the internet how to earn extra money and what is the requirement to develop your own system to earn passive income. I'm 100% sure you have gone through various websites, various systems, you have invested money, you have lost money, you have got so many bad experiences. I'm 100% sure about that. But today I'm going to give you a very exciting news, because while you are working full-time job, you don't have extra time to allocate for something to develop your own system. Other hand, sometimes you might not have big capital to invest in a business, grocery or pharmacy or whatever the business line you know, or whatever the experience that you have. You don't have big amount, huge amount to earn extra income. Another thing is, after working full day, like 9 to 12 hours in hectic grind day, so what happened is you don't have a pre-mindset to create something new, because your mind is totally fed up. You don't have any other thing to do other than sleeping, or you are tired. Your brain is not working. So with these conditions, now we are in corona pandemic situation. So again, you have a problem, future security, and you have problem in your day-to-day work lifestyle. You don't have extra income to pay your loan. Your job might get affected. Sometimes already some people lost the job. So what happened is here, everything impact your life because you don't have extra income avenue. You are depending on single income. So if you are depending on single income, so you have to go every day morning to evening for work, and you work 30 days, you get 1 day salary. So next 10 years, 15 years, if you do the same thing, what happen is you will not have freedom to retire. You don't have freedom to rest. You don't have time to enjoy your life, because you are working full day to get 1 day salary. 30 days you are working 1 day salary. So here is the exciting news. While you are doing your current job, while you are allocating your time for your professional life, if I give you some system where you can generate your own extra income system, you can build it slowly without spending your time, without spending your money. If I give you a system like that, how would you feel? Would you mind to go and check it and see the advantages or disadvantages? What is the effect that gives it? If you are really thinking about it, if you are really serious, so we have a way to do that. I'm going to tell you, you don't have to have any skills to develop the system. You don't have to spend your money from your pocket. You don't have to work like other workaholic people. Just do one thing. Allocate your time 30 to 45 minutes and contact us. Then discuss the system. So we will give you everything what you require to earn or create extra income, passive income that gives you financial freedom. Another thing is, if you think that it's a highly costly or whatever that financial things, no required. You don't have to spend your money to develop the system. What you have to do is just plan your future funding or retirement or education, whatever the goal you have. Let's discuss about it. Then we will plan it according to that. So TrustMax Reward system is the only way in the world that you can generate money while you are planning your future. That is the advantage when you are contacting TrustMax or when you are contacting me, because I'm going to give you a system into your hand that will work amazingly, because it gives you freedom. So financial freedom is the huge thing that anybody can feel it. So you can see that world population 8 billion people are working under 3% of billionaires. Can you imagine that? We all allocate our time. We all have sold our time to somebody who are paying a salary. So if you are doing the same thing again and again, you will never ever find your freedom. So you have to take permission for everything. Today I'm going to give you option, contact, take 30 minutes, come on Zoom or come to our office in Business Bay, Dubai if you are around here. Otherwise, no matter where you are living, so we can discuss through online. Today online is the most precious thing that we have. So we can connect each other. Even you can ask a lot of things, you can search on Google, you can do whatever it is. But end of the day, one focus. We are not going to lose money. We are not going to lose our time. We are going to enjoy life by building a passive income. So this is my request. Just contact so we can have a future with better life. So today I'm going to tell you no skills, special skills. If you don't know other language, if you don't know any other subject, no problem, because our system is totally that is like free of you. And also other thing is you don't have to have a special education background or whatever degree, don't need. It's like completely depend on your skills and how you think about your future and your commitment. That is the only thing we need, and we can plan it. So everyone, I would like to request again. So this is my Facebook page, and you can contact through Messenger or WhatsApp, email. You can check my profile and you can get the details. My main focus is together we can grow. Alone, I can't do anything. You take big business today, top 10 business companies, all are depending on people. Take Apple, take Facebook, take Microsoft. If people are not there, that business wouldn't be there. So that's why I'm telling you, you are our asset. So if you want to grow your asset, what happens is you can connect with us. So we can build your future with future planning. Thank you very much. I wish you all 2021 is going to be a huge year, so we can completely transform from this year to that year with a full energy and financial freedom. Next 24 months you are going to change your life. I'm giving you that promise. Next 24 months you will change your life if you allocate 30 minutes from your time today to contact us and see the TrustMax platform. If you see it definitely next 24 months, if you follow the instruction what we are giving, you will reach your financial freedom. Take this as a promise. If you make your promise, definitely TrustMax will make you that promise. So I'm wishing you again, we will have a future with more bright and also total expense, I mean the extra income and full of financial freedom. Thank you. Over there.